Hello and welcome to ISTV English News. Let's take a look at the headlines first. Desam slams Education Minister for not fulfilling his promise to change the education system within 6 months. And Wildlife Protection Act not effective in the hill districts. Protected and endangered animals are killed without any fear. Now the news in details. Student body Desam has condemned Education Minister M.O. Kendro for not fulfilling the promise made by him to change the education system within 6 months. A team of Desam members today inspected the state's premier college, DM College of Science. During the inspection, Desam team found toilets as old as 20 years old without any repairing and maintenance. Seeing the deplorable and shocking condition of the toilets in the campus, the Desam team and the student union of the college demolished the toilets. A representative of the college student union said DM College of Science has around 2,000 students. The students are unable to use the toilets as the authorities have neither built new toilets nor repaired the old ones which are 20 years old. Despite repeated requests to the authorities to repair the toilets, no work has been done till now. Warning the authorities of severe agitation, the union has also appealed to the authorities to provide them with proper toilets for the students. Desam General Secretary Thoi Thoi said the promise made by Education Minister 10 months back to bring about visible change in the education system within 6 months is yet to be seen. DM College Girls Hostel is in an incomplete stage due to which students are staying in rented houses. Desam has warned the authorities to make the hostel habitable within a week's time or else the incomplete hostel too will be demolished. Desam has also appealed to the concerned authorities to fulfill the basic requirement of students.
Arab DM Science Tamiba Sata Singi, Arab Tungan Mohammed Laiba, Sata Sing, Lavian and Maroon and the Peasing, girls in the Peasing, Lavian and Badum was a Sebu, and Hiram Haidari. Masifa with a higher body zoo, wait the Haidari. Higher and higher book, wait the Haidari. But the Masizu Akoye, when the Pizzi was a Hatam, Pokemanda, Masi, Lavian and Madum, Watama, Akoye, Kundam, Ho, the Targati, Haiba, them. Science girls such as you Haidari, Masi season a travel in Masizu to Irani Haidari. Masi Haftam, the Kay, we're going to talk the target high because of stage to Irani. But Takaka is open as Sakata, Madi Marine, never seen the hands and higher alarm Haidari. I don't see for that Chaimanga, the positive way response, so PPT.
Although the Wildlife Protection Act under the Manipur Forest Rules 1972 is enforced in the state, in the hill districts wild animals and birds are killed without any fear of the law. We have a report from Senapati.
Determined to protect the wildlife animals and birds of the state, Wildlife Protection Act under the Manipur Forest Rules 1972 was imposed in Manipur. Despite the presence of a strong act aimed to preserve precious and endangered animals, failure of the government agencies to implement the act in the state has resulted in the killing of these animals on a daily basis. In the hill districts of the state, these animals are being killed by the natives and sold in open markets. ISTV News visited Wilong Kulen area in Senapati district and found Sajal and Sabeng being killed. The animals were cut into pieces and distributed among the villagers. According to tradition and customs, the headpiece of the animal was given to the village chief. Children were seen roasting the animal head in the fire. Veteran journalist Salam Bharat Bhushan speaking on the matter said the forest cover area of the state is decreasing day by day, putting pressure on these rare animals to survive. He said deer, monkeys and other animals are easily available in the open market.
Forest area are who don't matter. Holy Kambu, Kara, Masala, Sanga, Sinja, Masena, Maguena, Singishina, single Singishina. Numi couldn't get some chato. Numi couldn't give Saji Lege Pangi, Sabo Lege Pangi, Sazi Makan Mary Manazia, Numi couldn't Lamo Pangi, Yum Pangi, Karimba, Zakadari, Ukurgumadadi, Hoxito, the past price here. Lamo go away. Lamsan. In part the gay, I was about them to show Vitero on them, about them down. Bapom uncle like jungle down. To Mamanata. No, me couldn't be Saje, Kizi, or Saya.
ISTV team also visited Senapati Bazaar and found a rare animal called Samarak Ngamarak sold for 650 rupees. The team also found cut pieces of sabo sold at 550 rupees per kilo. Veteran journalist Salam Bharat Bhushan said, due to non-effectiveness of the act, people are not scared to kill these rare and endangered animals.
Migratory bird, Russia, plastic take a man number Tava Yaw. Uchi among the among Yaw. Other Yumum, the Aduma take out there. Jabun Jom Yalale, Uchi Camp. Manipuri, wildlife protection, Suklay Lake there, Kaim the Chana there, Moya Panga have only particular Kaim Chana day. Masini Pagi, Michaels.
With animal rights activists calling for better treatment of animals, including domestic birds, the killing of endangered birds and animals is unfortunate. The authorities should look into the matter to save these animals found in the state from extinction. With Yamba Moirangthem, Jayanta Sharma and Richard Ranjan in Senapati, Sangeeta Tenshubam, ISTV News, Imphal.
The culture of assigning substitute teachers by paying a portion of their salary and enjoying the rest without teaching by certain teachers needs to be looked after by the concerned authority. This was stated by convener of Manipur Alliance for Child Rights, K. Pradeep Kumar, during the inaugural function of a one-day consultation program on states of rights to education in Manipur, which was held today at Hotel Imphal. The consultation program was organized by Manipur Alliance for Child Rights and You Cry Kolkata. The ZDO Zone 1 Gopi Mohan and ZDO Zone 2 H. Hema were present on the occasion among many others. Various students' organizations, several teachers and students were also present on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, CRY convener Pradeep Kumar expressed his observations on the implementation of right to education in the state, saying whether it has been able to benefit the students or whether it has been successfully implemented in the state. He further said that a detailed discussion on the matter is of prime importance. He also maintained whether students in elementary schools are getting their due rights or benefits. Time is more than right to pay attention to the culture of using substitute teachers in schools. He also stressed the need for introduction of biometrics in schools to find out whether teachers are regularly attending schools.
Illegal action lower hand and biometrics attendance. It should be introduced in all the elementary schools in the state. Since when that sector over that accountability say
Mass tree plantation within Haingang Assembly constituency, which began from May 12 under the supervision of MLA N. Biren, concluded yesterday. The concluding function was held at Laifam Kunau Mamang Lekai Community Hall. MLA N. Biren and members of Haingang Block Congress Committee and its president Nandalal Angomcha were also present on the occasion. Manipur Inat Kanba Loop has expressed strong reservation and unhappiness over the reported change of Nat Sankirtan singers to Roop Rag after already being agreed upon with the family of a deceased person to conduct Shraddha ceremony. Speaking to media persons at Eboyaima Shumang Lila Sanglane today, Padma Shri S. Thanil said that in connection with the religious ceremony for a deceased person at Wankhai, an invitation came to him, Guru Lakpati and President of the Loop Naba Varepa. The religious ceremony was scheduled to be held on the 3rd of August. But family members of the deceased came with different reasons and factors to change Nat Sankirtan singers to Roop Rag, and subsequently this was conveyed to them. Naba Varepa said there is no harm in the family choosing whichever singers in conducting religious ceremony. He went on to add that as per the Act of the Loop, there is a standing order not to conduct a religious ceremony through sitting by singers. He also said that the Loop takes the matter very seriously of not giving any respect to 3 respected gurus. This is nothing but an act of affront and disrespect to our traditions and cultures. He further maintained that the Loop will pay special attention to the matter.
Manipuri Inat Kanba Luki Maki Dagi Masi Achobu Inshal Tomani and Loka Bangamde, Maramaduna, Masikarita Wiabage, Hari Batabak Asida, Luki Maki Dagi Karita Wiabage, Ibagi, what is the Refayam? Put the name in Jagani, what the Tabak
And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Desam slams Education Minister for not fulfilling his promise to change education system within 6 months. And Wildlife Protection Act not effective in hill districts. Protected and endangered animals are killed without any fear. Thanks for watching ISTV News and do stay tuned.